Alright, vlog time. Thought I'd give a little update on what's going on, what's happening, what's going on with the channel and whatnot. Right now I'm headed to go get the train horn fixed. I keep breaking it. It's really unfortunate. But I'm headed out to Golf Truck. Shout out Anthony. I've started this video maybe like 4 or 5 times thinking what I would say, what I should say, and whatnot. So I think I'm just gonna go with it and see how that works. This is not a cop. Never mind. I thought I'd be able to stop in traffic or something because all the snowbirds are making it real bad down here. I thought I might show some of the sights maybe if I don't die in a car wreck on the way. Check that out, huh? That's what all the people are coming down here for, and clogging up the 1-lane roads. Pretty palmy like that. I'm gonna edit that out. So for the updates, I think probably this weekend, I think I'm gonna do a truck review. I'm very proud of my Silverado, and I'm going to get the train horn fixed now, so maybe on the way back I might try and get a few people, some of these dumbass tourists walking up and down the road like they own this place. I hate snowbirds, man. I don't know if you can tell or not, but I really hate these people. I don't hate these people. They make me, I get pretty upset. I got a little road rage tendencies, I guess. And all these people coming down just don't make it any better. That was a cop for real. Yeah. I'm still learning how to do the editing and stuff. I'm really technologically inept. I'm really bad at it. Excuse my hair and dirtiness. I just came from work. I had my appointment scheduled for my truck appointment. I'm a truck guy. What can I say? Southern life, country boy. I don't know what I'm doing. Updates. I keep getting into that. This weekend I think I'm gonna try and get a capture card so I can make some gaming videos like everybody else does. But I'm also getting it for just for a little background stuff. I know everybody and their mom's got a podcast. But me and my buddy Dwayne are gonna start a podcast. We're gonna call it Special Ed. Right? It was either gonna be Special Ed or Short Bus Radio. Just because that's how we met. We met in the special classes. We're some special boys. He's got a channel, it's Djaka. If I figure out how to link it, I'll do that. If not, it's just Djaka. I know, right? I thought my name was bad. Shout out to Wayne. So, podcast, probably not going to be anything special. This prick is from Michigan, and he's doing 25 and a 45. Thank you for that. Yeah, so podcast, capture card, maybe some video games and stuff. Excuse me. Truck video this weekend, probably. Maybe some mudding videos here and there. I like to go mudding. That's how I broke the train horn in the first place. That's a running thing with me. I break it a lot on accident. This one's it's actually broken. Like one of the horns is gone and cracked. There's 3 of them total, and it's not some sissy air horn. It's a train horn. Alright, I'll show you in I don't know, maybe like 2 hours or something like that. We'll see. So video games, mudding videos, podcasts, truck review. Maybe some little, maybe I'll call it sick train horn pranks. I don't know if they still call it prank videos. They're all kind of gay now. Next, not this week, but next week, we're going on a little vacation to Tennessee for a week. So, do some little vlog stuff with me and the lady. Get to know her a little bit, maybe. Probably not. She was in the dog video about my big idiot dog that I hate. I mean love. Yeah. That's about it. I might try and get some of the beautiful sights that all the snowbirds come down here for. So I just got the train horn fixed. It's pretty nice, man. Pretty nice. I'm taking the back way so I don't have to deal with all this traffic. And there's always a little bridge for people back here fishing. I thought maybe we test out the new horn. You know what I mean? We'll see in just a second. We're coming around this curve right here. So we're going through the park, creeping, lurking. Behind a guy named Paul. Check that out. Shout out Paul. I see some cars up there. I think somebody might be parked. Check out my little sneaky button. Oh yeah, that's the train horn. And we'll see in just a second if we can get somebody or not. I feel bad. Should I try it? I don't do it to old people or dogs. The rest are kind of fair game. That guy looks kind of old. We'll get somebody. I will let you know. I'll try my best not to break these ones. We'll see how. So I just got it fixed. It's broken again. This is the little problem here. This little thingamabob. This little thing right here. And here's me and my dad fixing the train horn for me. Sort of. I was hold the flashlight guy. Very important, but it's fixed now. Okay, bye-bye.